Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your photo looks better by adding a dramatic light to your photo using secret filter in Affinity Photo, like this, from this photo to this. Okay, so without any further ado, let's open up Affinity Photo and get started. So I'm gonna use this photo from Unsplash as an example. I'll put all the links to download all the photos that I'll be using in this video in the description. So if you want to download it, just go to the description and click on the link. Okay, so how do I add the dramatic light? Okay, so you can go to filters, then lighting, or you can go to layer, new light filter layer, and lighting, and you will see this live lighting tab. So there are three types of light that you can use. This is spotlight, point, and directional. Let's start from spotlight. As you can see here, so this is just like a torch. It casts a light to a specific object. Okay, right here you can change the direction and the elevation as well. I'm gonna change it to 30 and the elevation 30 and move it here, so it will look like the light is coming from this direction, and I will make it the distance further like this. You can also make the outer cone and inner cone larger or smaller. Texture, I usually leave it at 0. We have opacity here, and you can also change the blend mode. And then diffuse, higher values reflect more light. Specular, if I set the value higher, it will form a highlights here. And we have shininess here. The more value, the brighter it is. You can also change the specular color right here. I'm gonna make it a little yellowish, like this. And if you want to change the light color, just click here, but I'm just gonna leave it at white. Ambient is the background lighting. You can make it darker or brighter. You can also change the light color, and you can also add more than one light by clicking this add button. It will create a new light, so this is light 2. If you want to remove it, just click this remove button. Okay, and if you want to copy all the settings here, just click this copy button and it will create a new light with the same settings. But if you change the settings value, let's say that I want to change the value of shininess, it will affect the other light as well. So as you can see, so just keep in mind that if you change the value of one light, it will affect the other light. Okay, so that's it for spotlight. Let's move to point light. I'm gonna use another photo. So point light is like a light bulb. Let me show you how to use it. If you set a photo like this, as you can see, the light is off. You can turn it on using this point light. Let me show you how to use it. like this. So it's very useful. Okay, it's not just light bulb, you can also use it like this. The light inside the room is off, but you can turn it on using this filter with the same setting. And make another copy here, put it beside the first light, and change the blend mode to screen. As you can see, it looks real, right? You can also add light to your car. So I will add a light here. And also change the blend mode to screen. Yeah, like this. Okay, and the last one is directional light. So it casts a light from all direction. Okay, so this light is like exposure adjustments. Okay, it's up to you which one you want to use. You can also use this directional light to make your photo brighter. Okay, so that's all. Let me show you another example. I like the spotlight the most. You can also use it for your product photography. It will look cool. I will put a light up here and make it looks more dramatic. Make the other cone bigger, like this. So it will looks like the light is coming from the upside. Now it looks more dramatic, as you can see. The spotlight is so useful, as well as this point light and directional as well. Okay, especially for product photography, you can use this spotlight to make it looks more dramatic, like this photo. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.